Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. Today, in this segment, now about the governor of Enugu State, Ifeanyi, when we will talk about, and also some things when they happen in Ghana right now. Because if una country when be Nigeria, na better country, or if una get good leaderships in that country, things when they happen in recent times not gonna happen at all. Make we take a look on what they tell us about Ghana. First of all, before we dive to what happened in Enugu State, when the news they tell us say Governor Ifeanyi, the governor of Enugu State say ain't cry out seriously, ain't share serious tears after in don't taking I see the kind massacre, the kind way when the northern Janjaweed Fulani herdsmen aka Boko Haram take massacre the innocent people in Enugu State. So but pertaining Ghana police arrest illegal Nigerian immigrants. 494 Nigerians arrested from Upper East region in Ghana. 494 people arrested. Now, Ghana is a very, very small country, when all of us know. In fact, Delta State, big past Ghana. Just Delta State. The same small country, a very small country, when be like Delta State, na him Nigerian people, when they chant Buhari, they chant APC, now there then they run go. So Nigeria, na very, very big nation with 200 million population, with a lot of mineral resources. When these mineral resources, when they Nigeria, not they any part of the world. But your APC people, they take away the whole money. Then go sell oil, then go chucking the money. Then go sell gas, then go chucking the money. Then go sell zinc, then go chucking the money. Then go sell gold, then go sell chucking the money. Then go sell diamond, then go chucking the money. Then go sell everything, then go chucking the money. Share them within themselves. Today, a news they revealed to us say some northern senators they share almost 60 million naira. All of them see now. We go still post and come. We go still talk about them in another video. So now, then they sit down, they share. Only them. So, money when they're supposed to put things in place. Now, these criminals, maybe APC and PD people, then they share your own money, your own sweat. Money when belongs to you and I and to our future generation. Okay? Now, the money where they share on top of your head, at the end of the day, they're going to come the share sanitizer and the salt and the gari and the cube of sugar and some seed of onions they give you at the end of the day when they want to do their election. Now him make then they run to enter Ghana. Ghana when not reach Delta State. Now they catch 494. Not be millions of Nigerians when they Ghana already. And that is why Ghana people that really respect Nigerian people because of your politicians. And the Ghana people don't want to see make they come inside their country again because they don't like Nigeria. Man will be Isa Pantani. The man is a threat to Nigeria. The man is a threat to Nigerian security. The man must to be prosecuted. The man must to be prosecuted. If we not prosecute this man, if we not jail this man, if this man not answer his name in the court of law, then woe unto the southeast and the south, including the southwestern people. Woe unto all of us. If we allow the man to go scot-free, the man will be on a minister of communication, a well-known terrorist, a well-known Boko Haram sponsor. Today, Gumi don't come out and tell on and say the man say Boko Haram attack the man, say they won't kill the man. just to divert on our mind, because I know say all on our brain na bule. Gumi come out now. The same Gumi, Nigerian people. 497, ladies and gentlemen. So, I don't tell you before, say currently, then they shoot in Okorocha's house. Serious shootings. All right? And a lot of things they happen, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of things they happen. This man, what they call, one don't already tell us, say, if anything happen to the man, say, if the man come down, say, Nigeria go set on fire. Say, Nigerian people no then go see fire if anything happen to this man. Some few days back, like 3 days ago. Today again, I don't pass back again. Come they tell on now, say, then attack the man. When be Pantani, when be a terrorist. So, if we are not prosecute a terrorist, then who will not go prosecute Nigerian people? Who will not go prosecute? So, make we go see what happen in Enugu State, where they tell us, say, the Enugu State governor himself, say, ain't cry like a baby after seeing the havoc, after seeing the massacre caused by the Fulani Janjaweed Boko Haram people. When one of the claims say they be herdsmen people. It don't think when these northerners they manipulate my people. It don't think when they manipulate our people's brain. And now we say enough is enough. We want to continue to expose these people until Biafra is free. We want to continue to expose these people until our people is free. We want to continue to expose these people until Nigeria is disintegrated. We want to continue to expose them until the Babylon fall. And the Babylon must fall sooner when be Nigeria. Una never know waiting on enter. The northerners think say na only the sabi carry AK-47. Say na only the sabi wine AK-47 in broad daylight. This time around, we are here to tell the northern people, the Fulani people, specifically, say, not be only them sabi wine AK-47. Because they don't wake up lion when they sleep. They don't wake up lion. So now all of them they run heta scatter. Aso Rock they run heta scatter. As soon as our leaders say we want to defend ourselves, now so then go they begin call American people. But when Boko Haram they slaughter like this thing now what happened in Enugu State, they're not tell American people. They're not the air in Channel Television. They're not the air it in AIT, no TV station when they air all this things when they happen to Biafran people. No channel at all, no TV station at all. Remember what happened recently? Just because a channel TV people interviewed a more powerful, not even say a more powerful go direct to the television station. On phone, they get angry. Say, why channel television they allow a more powerful, they can't tell the world the truth. Because they don't want to make people know, say, now where a consul and 6 others. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, say, not be only consul when they kill, not be only done a consul, the late leader of the ESN people, Imo State branch, not be only him when they kill. Then kill 6 other people where then they sleep in a consul's father's house. Then come and come and tell us say now for battlefield when they battle the battle. Where IPOB people they hide in their camp, say now there as they reach there and so it consul and a group open fire. All now why you ladies and gentlemen, Nigerian army people, they never tell us this truth one day. That is why Boko Haram continue to wipe them in thousands every day by day. Because they don't tell Nigerian people the truth. That is why the Air Force people go they bomb them. The same people, all of them are army people, Air Force, not the same thing. And the soldiers, not the same thing. All of them are the same group of people. The same security outfit. I mean Nigerian security outfit. Now in them bill, but you can imagine where Air Force they go bomb Sojamin instead of bombing Boko Haram when all of them they fight because they don't already point those 20 people where they kill. They know say they go execute them. They know say now still our people from the south. The same Pantani. What are you telling me? So, ladies and gentlemen, make we see you because I know say the governor, the news they tell us say the governor say he they cry, say in cry hellfire come out from his eye. You want to see how they cry that cry. People when no want ESN to rain. People when they disturb IPOB when supposed defend them. People when they disturb ESM people. Even the man. There are more people when go from this faceless evil. But when they tell us now, say they don't surface today in Ebonyi State. Enugu massacre. Governor Uwanyi cries his eyes out on the recent massacre by the herdsmen people. And they call them the herdsmen people. I don't tell them I say all of them are Boko Haram. Anyhow, one they call them. Now, no problem with that. The governor of Enugu State, Ifeanyi Uwanya, has cried his eye out on the recent massacre of the people of Uzonwene and Mbo town. The governor lamented, thus, I put a call, make una listen to this particular place. Because when I say when get President Muhammadu Buhari, when get the people in his heart, when love Nigeria, like una love him, una they claim so I love him, but in no love una. He declares you love the President Muhammadu Buhari, when una they claim say that President Muhammadu Buhari, but in no love you. The man they call their president says you that they massacre my people in thousands in one of the village. Over 1 hour plus, the governor they on phone. After that, na ona Muhammadu Buhari is according to the news. Na they talk to the same governor of Enugu State. Say the president go call him back. Emergency call for that matter. And up to this moment, president not call back. Say president, make we see here how they take Nyanam, Nyanam well. So that everybody could hear what they happen in that country. The governor lamented thus, I put a call across to the president. I was put on hold for over an hour and 15 minutes. However, the president aides told me that the president will get back to me. I said emergency call, now talk before. The president through his aides after 4 hours told me that the president will do something about the situation. Then after 4 hours again, they can't come back, come they tell and say, the president say he go do something about it. The man never speak with the president, all right? Also, the governor confirmed my relative was among the people who witnessed this call, and having heard that the police have not arrived at Uzonwene, I called the COC 82 division for an action to prevent the herdsmen attack, but this time around, I was put on hold for 2 hours. You don't see game, that is one Nigeria game for you. They no go come. They no go save you. They no go save your people, including governor. Your life is in danger because these people, they are not going to come to rescue anybody because they want to cleanse you. Because they know say you know the hear word. That is why they are coming after you. As you continue chanting one Nigeria, we love one Nigeria. We want peace in one Nigeria. We want one Nigeria to unite. Now they go continue to come after you until you realize waiting day. And the waiting day na that division. Until you stand, until you queue behind Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the governor. And each and every one in Enugu State. Each and every one in Biafran land. They no go stop coming after Ona. The governor have not started The governor have not seen anything yet. Okay? I may not come, but this time around, I was put on hold for 2 hours while waiting to speak to the president. A news came in that a preventable attack by herdsmen has actually taken place. Now, the hear so, within an hour after the herdsmen coordinated attack, the commissioner and CDC had mobilized their men to prevent reprisal. So, after the attack, the commissioner now and his men, they mobilized their own people to go defend the herdsmen people, so that Enugu State people or people who come from that village no go attack back the herdsmen people. So now that time now they come mobilize because everything now on call. When they go there, well, we don't keep finish before we go show. No, they no go come attack us. Now be this one. I repeat that particular place. No, waiting an hour after the herdsmen coordinated attacks, the commissioner and COC had mobilized their men to prevent reprisal attack. The governor lamented that the action of the commissioner and COC are ridiculous and barbaric, because if they had acted when called upon, the attack would not have been occurred. I don't hear that more. I don't tell you now. After herdsmen don't meme, after herdsmen don't take souls, after herdsmen don't waste lives upon lives in Enugu, they don't call these same people before, when be the AK people, they not come, they not pick up. But as soon as they finish the killing, the attack or the killing of innocent Biafran people, now the commissioner and his men mobilize themselves to defend the herdsmen people, so that the people, when they kill their own people, when the Enugu State people, they don't go fit defend themselves. Now him, the man they call their own move barbaric and whatever in they call the move. So it is up to you, Governor Ifeanyi. Continue chanting one Nigeria. All of una, when they chant one Nigeria, every now and then, na una head una go take pay the northern people. Na una head una go take carry the whole matter when go happen between una and the northern people. To the eastern governors, una never begin see anything. This is just the beginning of the game, because now waiting all of una, like I used to say before, don't bargain. Now things one don't bargain. Now him, una they reap everything. So make una continue with una frontland one Nigeria. Okay, and then we continue chanting Biafra. Biafra. Now that one we did here, they do this time around. We're not there here for any one Nigeria. So ladies and gentlemen, now so the whole matter happen. Una don't hear waiting they happen in Ghana. When they tell us say 494 Nigerian people, when they waka kurukere waka, Congo enter Ghana, na him AK nab all of them. Una go still see their photos as they take they happen. Okay? So if Nigeria better, Nigerian people no go they run. They enter that small country when no big rich Delta states. If Nigeria better today, our people for not they die in Mediterranean Sea every now and then. They continue dying. They keep on dying. Remember, one big politician don't come tell Nigerian youth say make all of them run leave Nigeria, because Nigeria is not a safe place for them. Why then when the politician they go take over all of our property as all of them they run, they go. Now so it be now, because the property not read and share the money, oil and gas money not they read and share again. So they want your own join. One love everybody, and make sure you subscribe to Funky D Star TV. Bye.